Okay, guys, so I'm going to go over problem 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on our Google Classroom assignment 15. So we're solving two-step equations. In 14, we talked about distributive property and combining like terms. And so we're just extending that here. If you notice, 6, 7, and 8 are progressions of the same expression and then equation. So on 6, we have to do distributive property. Then we're adding the combining like terms on 7, and then we're solving the whole equation on 8. So you can see the progression that we go through. So 6, we're combining like terms. So we know that you have to multiply each term on the inside by the term on the outside. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 2, positive 2 is plus 8. So 8x plus 8 is our simplified, as far as we can simplify that expression. So now we're just going to add the minus 4x here. So we know that 4x, 4 times 2x plus 2 is 8x plus 8. Now we're going to bring down the negative 4x. We're just bringing down the rest of the expression. Now, in our video, she said to make sure, so we're going to combine our like terms. We have 8x here, and we have negative 4x. Remember in the video from assignment 14, she said, make sure you include that negative, the sign that's right in front of that term, which would be that negative. So we know if we have 8x's and we take 4x's away, what we have left is 4x. And then we're just going to bring down our plus 8. So our answer is 4x plus 8. All right, now extending on that, we've done this part here of our equation. Now we're adding that, making the expression an equation. We're saying equals, all of that equals 24. Well, we look over here, all of that equaled 4x plus 8. So I'm just going to do 4x plus 8. And then I'm going to add my minus 24. Now we have just a two-step equation, and we know that we have to add or subtract first, multiply or subtract, divide second. So we have opposite operations. I have plus 8, so I'm going to subtract 8 because I know 8 minus 8 is 0. I can do anything to one side of the equation as long as I do the same thing to the other side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract 8 on this side of the equal sign as well. 8 minus 8 zeroes itself out. What I have left is 4x equals 24 minus 8 is 16. Now, I need to multiply or divide. This is my second step in two-step equation. They multiplied by 4, so I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1x. All I have left is 1x. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So x equals 4. Okay, now we're going to combine 9 and 10. We're going to combine all the skills that we've been talking about to solve 9 and 10. All right, so I have 3. I'm going to have distributive property first. 3 times 2x. 3 times 2, 6x. Then 3 times 1 is 3. And I'm bringing down what I have left, which is 3x. Now, I'm combining my like terms. I have 3x here, and there's a positive in front of it, and 6x here, which it's also positive. There's no negative in front of it. So 3 plus 6 is 9x. I'm going to bring down my number, which is plus 3 left on that side of the equation. So we did our distributive property. We combined our like terms. Now we're solving our two-step equation. Add or subtract first, they added 3, so we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. So 3 minus 3 is 0. All we have left on this side of the equation is 9x. 21 minus 3 is 18. Multiply or divide, they divided. So, they multiplied, so we're going to divide both sides by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Our solution, x equals 2. Okay. On 10, we're going to do the same thing. First, we're going to distribute, then we're going to combine like terms if we have any, and then solve. So 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 5, 10. I'm going to bring down the rest of my expression on that side, which is negative x equals 13. Okay, so combining like terms, I have x is here, 2x, and I have an x here, and I'm including that sign in front. So it's negative. If I have 2 x's and I take 1 away, all I have left is 1x. So I have x plus 10 equals 13. I want to isolate that x. I need to get rid of that 10. They added 10. Opposite operations is to subtract 10 from both sides. All I have left is 1x, so these subtracted out, cancel each other out. X equals 13 minus 10, 3. Okay, guys, that's 6 through 10. Go back if you need to, resubmit your Google form, and y'all are doing a great job.